Event is taking place this weekend to highlight the benefits of the sport on your mental health. Organisers say being out in nature makes you calmer, reduces stress and anxiety and helps clear your mind. Our Wiltshire reporter Will Glennon has been to Peatmore Lagoon in Swindon to find out more.
See this one? See the different colours? These are called perch.
On a warm sunny day, where better to unwind than on the lakeside, catching fish, switching off a bit. Michael Bromley knows how it can help.
August 2022, I had a mental health breakdown, and I pretty much stared at the same walls for weeks on end, months on end. And because I was always a keen fisherman back in my junior years, I thought, I live by the lake, let's get back out fishing.
Mike set up an event this weekend where people could come and experience the positive benefits themselves.
I came up with this campaign, Fishing for Mental Health. You know, let's get people on the bank. Let's get them out in nature, walking around beautiful lakes like this, spend 4 hours fishing. The mental health benefits are incredible.
For me, it's the place I come to unwind. I sort of regain my sanity next to the water. I think there's something special about being next to water. There's something soothing and calming about it.
Peatmore Lagoon is coming back to life after thousands of fish died last summer when oxygen levels plummeted. The lake was cleared, the water was tested by the Environment Agency. Then thousands of new fish were restocked and they're now thriving.
It was terrible. I mean, it was wheelbarrows after wheelbarrows in black bags. I mean, now, if you look, you see loads of young kids, they're catching loads of little diddies, sort of perch and everything like that, and it's just great to see that what happened a year ago, it is slowly coming back to life and it is blossoming lovely.
Now, they've kindly offered to let me have a go, and I'll let you into a little secret. I've been fishing for years, and I know it's really good for your mental health. It's relaxing, you feel at one with nature. It's great.
University studies have shown the positive benefits of fishing. In the future, they hope to hold an event for mental health here every year. Will Glennon, BBC Points West, at Peatmore Lagoon in Swindon.